So, you finally bought your new computer. There is no feeling quite like it. The smell of fresh electronics, the satisfaction of peeling the plastic off the screen. You turn it on, you create your account, and you see the desktop. You think you're ready to go. But you aren't. Here is the reality that manufacturers don't tell you. A brand new computer is not in a performance state. It is in a factory state. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the essential setup checklist that professionals use to make a new machine faster, cleaner, and safer from the very first day. Step 1 is what I call the purge. Most PC manufacturers are paid by third-party software companies to pre-install bloatware on your machine. You've seen it. Trial antivirus software that screams at you to subscribe, random card games, or weird tune-up tools that run in the background. They exist for one reason: to extract more money from you. But in the process, they slow down your system and clutter your storage. Before you install a single program you actually want, go to your settings and ruthlessly uninstall everything you don't need. If it looks like a marketing gimmick, delete it. You want a clean canvas, not a digital billboard. Second, we have to fix the timeline. Your computer might be new to you, but it was likely manufactured 3 to 6 months ago. It's been sitting in a box, on a ship, or in a warehouse. That means its brain, the operating system, is living in the past. Many people skip the update screen because it's annoying. Do not do that. Run your system updates immediately. And here is the key. Do it more than once. Update, restart. Update, restart. Do this until the machine tells you there is nothing left to install. This isn't just about features, it's about closing security loopholes that hackers have discovered while your laptop was sitting in a cardboard box. Finally, before you start working, you need a safety net. It is a statistical certainty that at some point a drive will fail, or you will make a mistake and delete the wrong file. Set up your backups now, while the drive is empty. Whether you use cloud options like OneDrive or iCloud, or a physical external drive, turn it on today. And regarding security, you don't need to spend hundreds on fancy antivirus suites anymore. Windows Defender and Mac's built-in tools are incredibly robust. If you want extra protection, a simple tool like Malwarebytes is usually enough. Avoid the all-in-one security suites that hog your system resources. Once you've purged the junk, updated the brain, and secured the data, now you have a computer. But a clean computer is just the baseline. To get real performance, to understand exactly which components you need to upgrade next, or how to tweak the power settings for maximum battery life, you need to dive deeper into the hardware itself. To fully master this, you need to read Buy the Brain, Not the Brand. The book dives deeper into a full checklist of maintenance habits, customization tweaks, and optimization secrets that go far beyond a simple setup guide. Don't settle for the factory default. Build a machine that works for you. Grab your copy at the link in the description.